Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Jeep Gladiator. The Jeep Gladiator is just the off-road truck that Jeep fans have been waiting on. Enjoy the functionality of a truck while retaining the off-road capability. You'll fall in love with this Jeep Gladiator. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, 8 speakers, universal garage door opener, rear window defroster, power windows, electronic stability control, security system, compass, fog lights, heated steering wheel, trip computer, panic alarm, brake assist. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.